Motor learning is the process of acquiring and refining motor skills. It is essential for athletes of all levels to improve their performance. Coaches play a crucial role in facilitating motor learning by breaking down complex skills into smaller, more manageable parts. This essay will delve into 3 effective methods used in coaching, shaping, chaining, and static dynamic training. These techniques help athletes develop and refine their motor skills, leading to enhanced performance. By understanding these methods, coaches can create more effective training programs that cater to the individual needs of their athletes. Ultimately, the goal is to help athletes achieve their full potential by optimizing their motor learning experience. Shaping is a powerful technique used to teach complex skills by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps. It involves reinforcing successive approximations of the desired skill until the athlete can perform the complete movement correctly. The process begins by identifying the starting point of the athlete's current ability. Then the coach sets a series of progressive goals, each slightly more challenging than the last, gradually guiding the athlete towards mastering the target skill. For instance, when teaching a basketball layup, a coach might start by having the athlete practice the footwork without the ball. Once proficient, the athlete would then practice dribbling towards the basket and shooting from a close distance. Finally, the complete layup, including the approach, dribbling, and shot, would be practiced. Through shaping, athletes gain confidence and competence as they successfully master each step of the skill, leading to the eventual acquisition of the complete movement. Chaining is another effective technique that involves breaking down a skill into a sequence of smaller, interconnected steps. Unlike shaping, which focuses on reinforcing approximations of the desired skill, chaining emphasizes the order and connection between each step. There are 2 main types of chaining: forward chaining and backward chaining. Forward chaining teaches the skill from the beginning to the end, with the athlete mastering each step in sequence. Backward chaining, however, starts with the last step and works backward. This allows the athlete to experience success early on, which can be particularly motivating. For example, in teaching a tennis serve, a coach might use backward chaining by having the athlete first practice the follow-through. Once mastered, the athlete would then practice the ball toss and hit, followed by the complete serve motion. Backward chaining ensures that the final and often most crucial steps are well learned, increasing the likelihood of successful execution. Static dynamic training bridges the gap between stationary drills and dynamic movements. This approach involves practicing a skill in a controlled, stationary environment before transitioning to a more realistic, dynamic setting. Coaches can use this method to isolate specific aspects of a skill, allowing the athlete to focus on proper technique and execution without the pressure of a dynamic environment. For example, a footballer might practice passing the ball while standing still to focus on accuracy and footwork. Once proficient, the athlete can then progress to passing the ball while moving, gradually increasing the complexity and speed to simulate game-like situations. This gradual transition from static to dynamic practice helps athletes develop a strong foundation in the fundamental elements of a skill, leading to improved performance in real game scenarios.